So, what is the provision relating to determination of place of supply, Section 13, except the goods imported into and exported from India in the case of domestic sale? Section 13 now. So the place of supply, except the goods imported into and exported from India, governed by Section 10 of IGST Act. Okay. The general provision determining the place of supply of goods and domestic transaction, Section 10, subsection 1 of IGST Act. The place of supply of goods and other than supply of goods imported into or exported from India shall be under whether the supply involve movement of goods, whether by supply of receipt or by any other person, the place of supply of such goods shall be location of the goods at the time which is a movement of goods to terminates the delivery of the recipient. Okay. So when the goods are delivered by supplier to the recipient to any other person on the direction of the third person, whether acting as an agent, otherwise before and during the movement of goods or the way of transfer of documentation of title of goods or otherwise shall be deemed to be said the person has received the goods and the place of supply of such goods shall be the principal place of business of such person. Well, so supply does not involve movement of goods, whether there is supply of recipient, the supplier or the recipient, the place of supply shall be location of the goods at the time of delivery of the recipient. Where the goods are assembled or installed at site, the place of supply shall be a place at which installation takes place. And the goods are supplied on board or a conveyance, including vessels, aircraft, or train, or motor vehicle. The place of supply shall be location at which goods are taken place on board. So here five instances. First instance is what they are saying supply involves movement of goods. The goods has been moved whether by a supplier or the recipient or by any person. So whoever may be moving the good. The place of supply is a good shall be location of the goods, the time of which movement of goods terminates for delivery. So example, now I am sending goods to a person into Andhra. So the person who takes the delivery, it's not the recipient place of supply, is not the place where I send the goods. The place is actually who take the delivery of the goods. So the place is Chennai to Andhra I'm sending. So Andhra is the place of supply. Where goods are delivered by a supplier to a recipient or any other person on the direction of a third person, whether acting on an agent or otherwise before or during the movement of goods, either by way of transfer of documents or title of goods, otherwise shall be deemed to be said the third person has received goods and place of supply of such goods shall be principal place of business and such person. I am sending goods to a person in Andhra on the direction of the person from Andhra, Kakinada, that has been delivered in Thiruvananthapuram. So, what is the place of business right now? It has been delivered in Trivandrum. But who is directing the goods? Who is directing the goods? In this case, direction is from Tamil Nadu. The goods is traveling to Kerala. But transporter is Karnataka person. But the direction of the goods is direct as Andhra. So the principal supply of goods is from Tamil Nadu to Andhra, not to Kerala or Karnataka. Okay. Where supply does not involve movement of goods and whether by supplier or the recipient, place of supply shall be location of goods at the time of delivery to the recipient. Sometimes example in a flight from Chennai, it is boarded in Chennai. Food is going to be served. In there, 27 seats are there. All the state people are taking a seat in the flight. Oh my God. Now what happens? This flight is took place. Started takeoff. It took the takeoff. Right now, food is being served to everyone. Whether the food Food is being given to first Andhra, Karnataka, Kerala, everyone food is being provided. Whom to bill? Whom to bill? We can't bill. Flight is moving right now one direction of Andhra. So whoever buys something, IGST will go to Andhra Pradesh. We can't say that way. So when boarding, on the boarding itself, we will determine the delivery. That is on the starting point of the location, at the time of delivery to the recipient. The recipient is when he start the boarding itself, and the goods has been delivered. We consider the goods are assembled and installed at the site, and place of supply shall be placed at which installation assembled. Now, example, cell phone tower is being installed all over India. Okay, who is asking to install it? Ambani is asking to install it. From where? Mumbai. Where is being installed? All over India has been installed. So where to build? Who is doing it? The person who is doing in various state, various person is doing the work. Of material where it's been purchased. The material has been purchased from Mumbai. Mumbai itself is purchased. And it has been transported to various states in India, and that states this has been sent to the specific tower, and it has been installed. Right now, question is who is responsible for this? Who is not responsible for this? So it is built, even though the machinery is bought in Mumbai and the owner of the coach is in Mumbai, but it is being installed in various states. IGST, interstate supply, or Maharashtra to intrastate supply. The goods are supplied on the board of conveyance, including vessels, aircraft, train, and motor vehicles. On boarding itself, na location of goods are board, same thing.